What's the meaning of children in need? Children in need. Children in need.
Children in need. Children in need. Children in Need is a charity initiative in the UK that raises money to support disadvantaged children and young people. The campaign, which was first launched in 1980, aims to provide funding for projects that help improve the lives of children facing poverty, disability, illness, or trauma. The fundraising efforts typically culminate in an annual telethon broadcast on BBC One, featuring celebrity guests and performances. In 2022, the campaign raised over £73 million. The initiative has made a significant impact in improving the well-being of countless children and families across the country.